Hi. Now we will discuss about number system. Already you know the different types of numbers. Okay. From beginning there we can start the counting numbers like that. Now we can discuss that type of numbers. Already you know, just I can revise that. Okay. Then first I can say n. N denoting the number system. Which one? Yes, natural numbers. Okay. That is natural numbers. Natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. That is natural numbers. Including 0, that becomes whole numbers. Natural number plus 0. 1, 2, 3. This is considered as whole numbers. Okay. Already you know the number line like this. Suppose this is a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in equal width like that will move. Then the left side we can consider as the numbers less than the value 0. That is considered as the negative numbers. Okay. Therefore, the same way, same width we indicate, that is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, like that. Now this is known as the integers. Positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that negative, negative 1, negative, negative, including 0, that is considered as integers. That can be denoted by using the letter Z. Integers. Integers, that is negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. On both sides that will move. Okay, like this. Okay, that is integers. Then we will discuss another type of numbers. Already you know, that is odd numbers, even numbers, then prime numbers, then composite numbers. Already you know that the different types of numbers. Okay, now no need to discuss all here, just I can revise that the types of numbers. Okay, then now the mainly natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Now we can discuss about the decimal numbers also there. Okay, the decimal numbers also there. Now we can discuss about the fraction. Fraction already you know, that can be expressed in the form of p by q, that is numerator and denominator we need. But one of the condition is there, in that numerator and denominator always contain the natural numbers. The numerator is the natural number and denominator is also natural number, 1, 2, 3, like that. That is considered as fraction. After that, the numerator and denominator become changed. Instead of natural numbers, that becomes integers that have another name, that is known as rational numbers. That is, we can use Q, rational numbers. Rational numbers. Rational numbers means that is P by Q form. P by Q form and Q not equal to 0. Denominator not equal to 0. That is 3 by 5. This is the rational number. This is integer. This also integer. Minus 2 by 7. Integer, integer. 7 is a natural number also, but here that is including. Okay, then etc. like that we can say this is a rational number. Okay, rational number. And after that, irrational numbers. Irrational number, that is other than the form p by q, that is not expressed in the form of p by q, that is known as irrational number, other than rational, that is considered as irrational number. Mainly that is root 2, root 3, root 4 already you know, that is 2, that is root 5, etc. This is considered as irrational numbers. Therefore, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational, irrational, all together known as that already, that is real numbers. Okay, when we put in a bag or box like that, all numbers we can put in, that is together known as real numbers. Okay, here we will discuss about mainly the rational numbers, irrational numbers, that operation like that we will discuss now. Okay, we already discussed the different types of numbers here, natural numbers like that. And when we consider like this, a circle like this, this is considered as the natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Including 0 is including there. When we include 0 there, 0 is including, it becomes whole numbers. That already discussed here, natural numbers, whole numbers, including the negative numbers also. Now this total becomes integers, that is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, like that will move. Okay, therefore this is natural numbers and this together known as whole numbers including 0. This total, this all considered as integers, like that. Therefore when all we put it in a bag, the fraction also there, fraction 1 by 2 form, rational form is there, like p by q form, q not equal to 0, like that already discussed. Okay, when we all together, when we put in a bag, this is a bag like this, and this is okay, this bag including irrational numbers also. We can including irrational numbers. When we including irrational numbers also, and this is considered as real numbers. This is considered as the total, this bag is known as real numbers. That is the real numbers including all numbers, you know, that is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, fraction, decimal, positive numbers, negative numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, decimal numbers, fraction, rational, irrational, all together known as real numbers. Okay, in this chapter we discuss about more about like that. Okay, then I can give just I can ask you some questions. Okay, just you can reply that. Okay, first I can ask you 3 is a natural number. Your answer is true or false. Just you can say 3 is a natural number. Yes, that is true. Okay, next I can say 3 is a whole number. Yes, 3 is a whole number, like that. Okay, some. Next I can ask you, that is all natural numbers are whole numbers. Next question I can ask you like this: all natural numbers are whole numbers. What about your answer? Yes, when we consider any natural number, that becomes, because all natural number in between the whole number, this circle is considered the whole number. Therefore, all natural numbers are whole numbers. Then next I can ask you, all whole numbers are natural numbers. All whole numbers are natural numbers. Just to think about that. That is correct or not? Is correct? No. Why? Yes. 0 is not including the natural number. Except 0, all are considered same. The whole numbers and natural numbers both are same. Therefore, 0 is not including the natural number, only in the whole number. Okay. The next question. That is, all integers are whole numbers. All integers are whole numbers. That's correct or not? True or false? Yes. Why? Yes, your answer is false. That's correct. But here, suppose when we consider negative 4, it is an integer, not including the whole number. Okay. Yes, very good. Now we will discuss about one more question I can ask you, that is, all fractions are rational numbers. All fractions are rational numbers. That is true or false? You know what is fraction? Fraction means p by q form, it containing p and q as natural numbers. Rational numbers means again the same p by q form, p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. So what about your answer? The question is, I just ask again, all fractions are rational numbers. True or false? Yes, true. Why? Because 1 by 2 is a fraction. This is a rational number also, because 1 is a natural number, 2 is a natural number. 1 is an integer, 2 is an integer. Therefore, we can say it is all fractions are rational numbers. Another example, there is 3 by 8. Natural number, natural number. Therefore, we can say it is fraction. 3 is a integer, 8 is also an integer. Therefore, we can say 3 by 8 is a fraction. Therefore, that answer is true. Then next question I can ask you, that is, all rational numbers are fraction. All rational numbers are fraction. That's true or false? Okay, just to think here. After that, you can say the answer. 3 by 7. This is a rational number because this 3 is an integer, 7 is an integer. Therefore, 3 by 7. 3 by 7. It's a fraction also. Okay, but negative 5 by 6. This is integer, this also integer. This is 6 is also natural number, that's no problem. Therefore, negative 5 by 6 is a rational number but not fraction. Therefore, generally we can conclude what all rational numbers are need not be fraction. Some rational number becomes fraction, no needs always. Okay, therefore we can conclude like this: all fractions are rational numbers, but all rational numbers need not be fraction. Some rational number becomes fraction, some no needs. Okay, therefore no need to becomes fraction like that. Clear? So okay, this is the number line. Now we can discuss that like this. Suppose here just I can mark 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Remaining is there, and here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 like that, and up to negative 5, that already marked there. Just I can ask some questions to you, just we can reply that. Okay. First question: how many natural numbers between 0 and 10? How many natural numbers between 0 and 10? Just we can count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Your answer is 9. In between, like that. Okay, not from 2, in between 0 to 10. Total answer is 9. Okay, the next I can ask you: how many whole numbers between 0 and 10? How many whole numbers between 0 and 10? Same, 0 and 10. How many whole numbers? They already know what is whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3 like that, only like that. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. Same answer we got again, 9. The next question I can ask you: you can say two natural numbers between 3 and 8. You can say two natural numbers between 3 and 8. Suppose 3 is here and 8 is here. You can say two natural numbers. Someone told 4. Yes, that's correct. 6, that's also correct. We can say only 2 we needs in between 3 and 8. Only 2 we needs. Clear? Okay. That's okay. Then next I can ask you: how many integers between negative 5 and 4? How many integers between negative 5 and 4? We can start from here. Negative 5, 4 is here. In between how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In between minus 5 and 4, these 8 numbers, 8 integers is there. This is an integers I need. Okay. The next question: how many natural numbers between minus 5 and 5? How many natural numbers between minus 5 and 5? Let's listen. How many natural numbers in between minus 5 and 5? What is your answer? Don't count 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't think like this, because we need natural numbers. Therefore, only you need to count natural numbers. Therefore, natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, answer is only 4. Don't say this from here, because we need natural numbers, not integers. Just listen what I say. Okay, natural numbers only. Therefore, answer is in between minus 5 and 5. Only these 4 natural numbers. Integers we can count from here to here, but here we need to consider only the natural numbers. Okay, then how many? Next question: how many natural number between 4 and 5? How many natural numbers between 4 and 5? When we consider 4 and 5, how many natural numbers there? No natural number is there, because after that 4, the next number is 5 itself. Okay, then next question: how many decimal numbers between 4 and 5? How many decimal numbers between 4 and 5? Yes, someone told 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6 up to 4.9. No, 4.11, 4.22 like that remaining there. How many numbers is total there? Let's count. Okay, there is infinite number of infinite decimal numbers is in between 4 and 5. Therefore, we can insert infinite numbers between any two numbers. Okay, how many numbers mean that only we can. Suppose I can ask you, we can say We can say 3 numbers between 4 and 5. 3 decimal numbers in between 4 and 5. I can ask you like that. Insert 3 numbers between 4 and 5. Therefore, we can say 4.1, 4.7, 4.8 like that. We need how many numbers? We need that only. How many numbers means your answer is infinite numbers is there. Now we can done like that. We can insert some numbers in between what is given here. That type of questions we can discuss now.